Hey, Troy here, and in this video I'm going to be doing a SAVECLUB review, and I'm going to be talking about the SAVECLUB deals and discounts and why I believe this is a fantastic way for those looking to make money online, to get paid weekly, to get residual income. This is really exciting. So I encourage you to watch this video through to the end, and if this makes sense, what I share resonates with you, be sure to like, comment, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe. So as you can see here, SAVECLUB is actually in pre-launch. The official launch is on June 1st, 2025. However, people, including myself, have already been earning weekly commissions. And you know, the beauty about this is that they have over 1 million retailers worldwide in 150 different countries. So there's over 850,000 hotels, vacation stuff that you could save money on. There's over 50,000 restaurants and over 150,000 retail stores. Now, timing is everything, and when you join SAVECLUB, everyone joins the powerline, which basically just means you entered your name, you entered your email address, your phone number, and then you are taken to a video describing how you can enroll and register for free, and you'll be placed in the power line. Now, do you make money from just being in the power line alone? No. The power line does not pay you up front. What you do have the ability to do is when members actually upgrade and they pay their $20 a month membership, you have the ability to earn on individuals that upgrade within your power line. And I've only been promoting this for 2 weeks and 1 day. You know, I got in like 2 days after the pre-launch started. And as you can see, right now I've got 4,433 members that have joined after me in the power line. Now, here's what's unique. All right. Personally, I have only sponsored 7 active members, meaning 7 people that paid for their membership. And you can see right here, you know, this is when I started, and all of these individuals below are upgraded members, paid members inside the power line. And again, I don't know these individuals. I personally only sponsored 7 so far. I'll probably double those numbers by the end of the month. And this is just one page, right? People are joining this because they love the idea of being able to save money as well as being able to earn money, helping others to save. So I just want to share something with you. You know, with programs like this, they are only as good as the products that they provide. And no one has to explain what discounts are. No one has to explain, you know, how you should be saving more money and spending less. So I went into my back office, you know, I clicked around on shopping, and I came across this. You know, I generally like, especially when the summertime comes, buying Skechers shoes, Skechers sneakers. They've got a 30% average savings in here. You could see everything in here from Raymore and Flanagan furniture, 10% average savings. But for this video, in this example, I clicked on view deals for Skechers Direct, getting 30% off. And when I clicked on that, it gave me a code. So all I had to do was just copy and paste the code into the portal for Skechers, and I came across a couple of pair of sneakers. I like these. Retail price $75. You save $22.50. So the 30% discount was applied. $22.50 on just one product that I'm able to save for a $20 a month membership. Now, I've already used this for me being lazy, not wanting to cook, deciding, hey, I want to order Papa John's pizza or, Domino's pizza, many local restaurants within your area. And, that's it. I mean, really, it just doesn't get more simple, more easy than that. Let me share something else with you really quickly. So I also am in the process of looking to get another laptop, and here's what I found. I checked out the Dell outlet. When I come over here, I click on view deals, right? It has a quick explainer as far as all the different things that you can do. So you could save these online, and check this out. All right, what I found that interests me as far as laptops go, here we go. Look at this. Save up to $340 off Inspiron 147440 2-in-1 laptops. That's $340 that I could save automatically off of the regular price. Here's another one. Save up to $824 off Latitude 14-inch 5450. Think about that, just from a $20 monthly membership, and you get paid helping people save money. Really simple, right? And if you're wondering if this is the right market to be in, I just wanted to share some of these statistics. These are all people that landed on my website for SAVECLUB. 52 hits today, Sunday, May 11th, 40 hits Saturday, 37 hits Friday, 36 hits Thursday. And these individuals went ahead and pre-enrolled. And over here, you could see the upgrades, right? These are people that upgraded to paid membership. So this is letting you know that this is absolutely working, and that people are signing up, and becoming active members. So you want to have a sense of urgency. You want to get placed in the power line as quickly as possible. And once you do, make the decision to upgrade. Now, how do you get started? How do you take the SAVECLUB free tour? Go to my YouTube channel link for SAVECLUB. Click on that link and take the free tour. If this video helped you in any way, be sure to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Once again, I'm Troy. Go to my YouTube channel, click on the link for SAVECLUB, and go ahead, pre-register, and create your free tour account. Have a great day. Thanks so much for watching. Once again, I'm Troy. Take care.